Good things come in small packages. It's not just true for diamond rings and expensive watches. It's also true for small tattoos. In the hands of talented artists, small tattoos can be as interesting and unique as any of the large designs that grace the cover of inked magazine. And they can be the perfect way to start your journey into the world of tattoos. Small tattoo design is also meaningful and symbolic, and it will increase your personality. So guys, this video is only for small tattoo lovers. If you watch the full video, we will learn about different types of small tattoos and you can easily select the perfect one for you. So let's get started. Small chest tattoo. A small chest tattoo is a beautiful and unique choice for men. The chest is the most important part of your body. As a tattoo lover, you can choose a small tattoo, and to draw this small tattoo, you can choose the chest as a perfect place. A small chest tattoo bears a symbolic meaning. It symbolizes strength, pride, loyalty, courage, and masculinity. You can easily hide and show this small tattoo. It also makes you very beautiful and meaningful. Small wrist tattoo. The wrist is an excellent placement for body art because of its visibility. This area you will see every time, making it ideal for meaningful designs. Your wrist tattoo could be of anything but should be able to reflect your thoughts and feelings or be unique to you in some way. This could include the name of a loved one, a special date, or a quote that inspires or motivates you. Getting inked on the underside is also a discreet option, making this a versatile location. Inking here will hurt because of the thin skin and lack of muscles and fat, but the pain will be short-lived because the wrist is small. Small lotus flower tattoo. We know the lotus flower is the most beautiful and colorful flower. Everyone likes this flower for its color and shape. It is the symbol of peace and purity. But some tattoo lovers like it only for its small shape. A small lotus flower tattoo has a versatile symbolic meaning like peace, beauty, spiritual awakening, and knowledge. You can select this simple lotus flower tattoo. It will express your deep knowledge and presence of mind and make you beautiful and smart. Small forearm tattoo. Small tattoo is the best tattoo design for the symbolic men. It is a beautiful way to pay tribute to the special people in your life. Small forearm tattoo is very symbolic and symbolizes love, beauty, and courage. It is low on the tattoo pain chart scale because of the thick skin and muscle, and you can show it off when you want or keep it covered up. It is a simple artwork and you can tattoo your romantic partner's name, so it would be your perfect choice to satisfy your lover or beloved. Small back tattoo. Due to the flat surface and space available, the back is the great place for large tattoos, but perfect place for small tattoos. Small tattoos is always the best choice for men. It is very meaningful and symbolic. You can choose a small tattoo for your back and you can select a single word, animal, flower, lover name, or a special date for tattooing. So you can try an inking on your shoulder's blade or middle back rather than lower down so the design is more visible. Small hand tattoo. Hand is the most visual part of your body and a perfect spot for getting a small tattoo. Hand tattoos are a rebellious and bold choice for men. These tattoos are less painful to get and very visible to others. Small hand tattoo is very symbolic and meaningful, and it will give you a unique personality. It symbolizes courage, strength, ability, personality, confidence, and personal messages. It has versatile colors and designs, so you have a chance to choose anyone. Small trash polka tattoo. Small tattoos are appealing because of their versatility. They can be inked anywhere in the body because of their size, from the finger to the back. You can also choose from a wide range of imagery and experiment with different styles to create the finish you want. The trash polka technique is appealing because it is bold and expressive, and although most men opt for something large and detailed, you can scale it down. Small cross tattoo. In Christianity, the cross is the most sacred symbol. It is used to represent Jesus Christ and his sacrifice to save humanity. A cross tattoo is a way to affirm their beliefs publicly. It's also a way to remind them that God is always with them. You can draw a small cross tattoo on your body. chest, arm, forearm, or whatever the place. It is so the wearer can always see the cross and remember their connection to Jesus. Guys, we can reach a decision. Small tattoos are always symbolic and meaningful. It looks very beautiful and increases your personality, but its beautiness totally depends on place selection. So you can choose any of the tattoos mentioned in this video. I hope you have already selected your favorite small tattoo. Thanks for watching. Stay with us and be happy and successful.